Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country Leamington Spa. Today I am at 22 The Hamlet in the sought-after village of Leek Wootton between Warwick and Kenilworth. Close to the property is the Warwick Parkway station with direct trains to London and the fantastic Warwickshire and Country Golf Club, which is just less than a mile away. The property has been extended and extensively refurbished with meticulous detail, providing a spacious, light and airy 2,300 square foot, 4-bed, 4-bath family home. There is also to the rear unexpected rural views of a horse-grazed paddock and a 250 square foot cedar-clad new build outbuilding with a store and garden or office room. So come with me, let's take a look around. You've joined me in my favourite room of the house, this open plan living kitchen diner that leads out through these large bifold doors into a glorious garden with views of the paddock and even a couple of horses to join us today. If you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.